Some noises are so familiar that we stop noticing them. But can you tell exactly which device they come from? Let's put your listening skills to the test. Easy level, first one, begin. E-reader, second one. Label maker, third one. Can opener, if you got the first three right, tap the screen once. Medium level, fourth one. Paper shredder, fifth one. Water flosser, sixth one. Foot massager, stay focused. Hard level, seventh one. BP monitor, eighth one. Laminator, ninth one. Ultrasonic cleaner. Like this video, subscribe for more sound challenges, and comment your score below. Expert level, 10th one. Bobbin winder.